Hi everyone, welcome or welcome back. My name's Kim, and let's begin our practice. Samasthitihi. Stand at the top of your mat, big toes touch. And draw your hands to your heart center, Anjali Mudra, divine offering. Gaze is softly to the tip of the nose, or if it feels safe, close your eyes, gaze between the eyebrows. And we begin 3 rounds, cleansing breath. Inhale, fill up. Open your mouth, exhale. Again, inhale. Open mouth, exhale. And last, in and out. If your eyes are closed, gently blink your eyes open. Surya Namaskar A, Sun A. Inhale, reach your arms, widen up, touch the palms, mountain pose, Tadasana. Exhale, fold over your legs, Uttanasana, empty the breath. Inhale, halfway lift the spine, hands to the earth or your shins. Exhale, plant your palms, step your feet back, high plank. Hug your belly up and towards your spine and either stay here or inhale, hinge forward 2 inches. Exhale, bend your elbows halfway, low plank, Chaturanga. Untuck your toes, inhale, upward dog or cobra pose. And then exhale, downward facing dog, send your hips up and back. Feet are hip width distance, hands are shoulder width distance, gaze towards your navel and breathe. You can always skip those vinyasas or modify. Take one more breath here, inhale. And exhale, empty. Step, hop, or jump to the top of the mat, forward fold. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, fold back down. Inhale, rise, mountain pose. Samasthitihi, exhale. Good, we go one more time. Last, inhale, Tadasana. Exhale, Uttanasana. Ardha Uttanasana, halfway lift. Into your vinyasa, step or hop back into low plank. Inhale, back bend. Exhale, downward facing dog. And breathe. Exhale 1. Exhale 2. And exhale 3. Lift your right leg up to the sky. And then exhale, bend your knee, stack your right hip over the left. Roll out your right ankle. Bend and extend through the knee. Stretch through both hips. Good, and then inhale, re-extend, and then downward facing dog, exhale. Other side, inhale, lift the left leg. Exhale, bend the knee, stack your left hip over the right. Keep the upper body in a down dog as you explore your left ankle. We bend, extend through the knee. And then inhale, re-extend. Exhale, downward facing dog. Look forward, step or hop through to Navasana, boat pose. Okay, you can keep your toes on the earth. Keep them bent. Either way, extend your arms forward, palms face each other. And if you can, lengthen the legs. Look up to go up. Keep breathing. Here for 2. And 1. Separate the heels, hip width distance. Plant your palms about a foot behind you. And then inhale, lift your hips, reverse tabletop. Exhale, second set, Navasana. Send the hips down. Extend the legs. Look up. Here for 1. 2. 3, separate the heels, plant the palms, inhale, reverse tabletop. Good, exhale, last set, Navasana, you got this. Lift up, here for 1, 2, 3, 2 more, 4, and 5. Last, tabletop, lift up, stretch the hips, relax the shoulders, soften the gaze, the jaw. And then exhale, release back down. Good. Janu Shirshasana. Extend your right leg out. Plant the sole of your left foot into your thigh. Turn towards your straight leg and reach for your calf, ankle, or foot. Maybe even your wrist eventually. You can use a strap here as well. Whatever you have, inhale, pull back a lot using the strength of your back. And keep breathing. Every exhale, breathe into the back of your right leg. And this is a great place to stay, especially if you're working on strengthening your back. Or option to fold, draw your forehead towards your shin, then the nose, and then the chin. As long as you feel the stretch in the back of your left leg, you're good. Keep breathing, releasing. Last two. And last one. Inhale, halfway lift the spine. And then exhale, release. Keep the legs as they are, twist towards your bent leg. Draw your left hand behind you, right hand outside of your knee. Inhale to lengthen. Exhale to twist. If you can, gaze over your shoulder. One more breath, inhale. And exhale. So either stay here in this twist for a few more breaths or revolve, reach your right hand, or left hand rather, to the sky, high car. And then exhale, tilt over towards your straight leg. Okay, stay rooted through your left hip and breathe through your left side. Last two. And last one. Inhale, return back up to a seat, and then unwind from the twist. Oop. Hair hitting my mic. And then just switch out the legs. Extend your left leg out, draw the sole of your right foot to your inner thigh. Again, turn towards your straight leg, reach for either calf, ankle, foot, maybe strap, maybe even the wrists. Whatever's accessible, pull back. Use the strength of your back to stretch the back of your left leg. I like that metaphor, using your strength to stretch. Okay, a couple breaths here. Feel the back of your left leg. And then again, you can either stay here a few more breaths or exhale, fold over your leg. First the forehead reaches the shin, then the nose, and then the chin. With every exhale, relax the back of your left leg and relax the outer right hip. Last two. And last one. Halfway lift the spine, inhale, and then exhale, release the foot. Keep the legs as they are and then twist towards your bent leg. Use your back arm to lengthen through your spine. Every inhale, lengthen. Every exhale, twist. Maybe gaze over the shoulder. Good, and then either stay here or inhale, revolve, lift your right hand, and then exhale, tilt over towards your straight leg. Look up towards your hand. Stay rooted through your right hip. Last two. And last one. Return back up. And then release the twist. Good. And then now let's do pranayama, Kapalabhati Pranayama. So for our posture, either do full lotus pose, Padmasana. You can do half lotus, half Padma. Or you can do Siddhasana. Place the sole of your left foot to your inner right thigh. Touch your right heel towards your pubic area, your pubic bone. Good. Then rest your hands onto your thighs, gaze towards the tip of your nose. And with Kapalabhati breath, the exhale is active, the inhale is passive. And we exhale through the nose. So keep your mouth closed, shoulders relaxed, face relaxed. And we'll breathe through the belly. Together, inhale halfway. Begin Kapalabhati, exhale. And relax, release the breath. Come back to normal breath, in and out through the nose, and observe. Observe the body, the breath, the mind. And we'll do one more round We'll go a little faster, but for the same amount of time. If you experience any dizziness or lightheadedness, return to the slower pace. Okay, so let's begin. Inhale, halfway. Begin Kapalabhati, exhale. And release. Come back to normal breath, in and out through the nose. Observe body, breath, mind. And if you have a few minutes, give yourself a few minutes to either sit here in meditation or laying down in Shavasana. But here I will leave you to make your choice. Thank you for practicing with me today. It's always an honor, it's always a pleasure. Great way to start the day, or whatever time you're practicing. It's always good to practice. But wherever you are, whoever you are, however you are, may you be well. Take care. Take care and namaste.